Alright, hey guys, this is the final video for my Vietnam equipment overview. Again, if you haven't seen the other ones, this video is for the sake of my buddy Danny, who's shooting a Vietnam short film. So I'm just really quickly trying to overview different pieces of equipment he might be interested in for that. Most of this is used for Airsoft. If you have any questions, comments, whatever, let me know. I can cover things in more detail, do comparisons between two items, etc. Just quickly panning over here in the last video, I mentioned the 69 pattern body armor. Probably not for on patrol, obviously, but definitely in the scene at the bunker. The fob, just a potential piece there. I forgot to mention that. Well, we'll move on from that guy for a second. Here's just my mannequin buddy again. Dressed up in what I'll be wearing, which is actually Belgian style 1956 suspenders. They're just cheaper. In Canada, real US suspenders are like $40 and those are like $10, at least when I've been able to find them. That's more info for the airsofters out there than Danny. Just simple, real simple belt rig. A couple mag pouches. I may carry one of my bandoliers. Pistol belt. I do run this with a pistol when I play Airsoft, so there's my pistol mag pouch. I've got two canteens on the back. So one with a cover there, and the same on this other side. Now, these again, canteens I have not shown, and covers I have not shown in the other sections of videos. These are, so Danny, if you want to use those other canteens and covers for other characters, you can. Got my butt pack in back there. They're just Rothko tops and bottoms. For now, eventually, for the airsofters and history guys out there, I'll be getting other ones, but for the time being, they're just Rothko. Again, reproduction helmet cover with the these trash bag holders, which are great for background characters, and my actual helmet band and inner tube for those airsoft guys who are curious. Got my bottle opener, sorry, my can opener, and just a dummy, inert round here with a chain through it. Personally, when I'm airsofting, I don't wear dog tags, so that's what I have instead. Usually wrap them up in tape. I was actually on the table in one of the other videos, was my 1,000 mile per hour tape, or whatever the heck it's called. My OD green tape that I use. Forgot to mention it, but it was on camera in the other videos. I just showed my 69 body armor, because here is my 52 style body armor for Marines and for pilots in the early war, which is why I have my pilot jumpsuit here, my reproduction gloves, or my modern made gloves, the survival vest for the pilot, which probably wouldn't wear both the vest and the body armor at the same time. Just this is what has my holster for my revolver on it, which I showed previously. Just so you know, Danny, I have on order a proper revolver holster, but we can fudge it with the 1911 holsters until I get that proper holster in. And here, of course, is my helmet. This is a post-war helmet. The biggest giveaway is that it's the wrong liner. It should be leather, and the chin strap is wrong. But probably not a biggie. Lastly on here is just wiring in replacement microphone, which is, it's externally mounted, and I'm just basically tying into the pins, but it's just a non-damaging way to put a microphone on there. Just for anyone's curious why it looks weird right now, I'm literally waiting for that screw to dry. But yeah, I can remove that, Danny, and replace that wire with a wire that doesn't have a fake microphone on it. That is it. That, I believe, is all of my Vietnam relevant equipment. As far as airsoft equipment goes, I do have other equipment. This is just all the stuff that I filmed for Danny's sake. And yeah, Danny, I think I have enough of those covers to do, not covers, black rubber bands to deck out a couple guys. But I think you were handling uniforms and headgear yourself. So there we go. I do have one other reproduction helmet that does not have a liner. That does not have a cover on it. The liner's not correct either, but it does not have a cover on it. So if you got your hands on another cover, we could have 2 helmets already. Oh, I have another pilot helmet down there. It's actually a Coast Guard helmet, and it's a dual visor variant of the that helmet. Yeah, that is about it. Final video in the series here. It's a little recap. I play Airsoft. This is a sample of my kit. I do have tiger stripes as well somewhere. I'm building a Special Forces style kit. There again, just Rothko tiger stripes. I know, better ones when the budget's available. I don't want to get into that debate in the comments. I'm just trying to get the uniform, the load bearing equipment together first before I worry about it. I've just grabbed the cheap Rothkos. I'll probably resell them to a buddy when I move on to better stuff. Alright, thanks again. Ask questions. I can do comparisons, etc., etc.